Hi Starlets, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all ready for this Valentine's Day eyeshadow tutorial. So let's get right into it. So I'm starting off using the Morphe 35B palette, and I just got this palette, yes. And I'm going to start using that light pink shade, and I'm just going to use this as my transition color. So I'm just going to blend this color into my crease. And you just keep packing that color on until you get the color payoff that you want. And I just want to say, in this video, I am out of focus in so many scenes. I promise I'm going to do better next time. But yeah, using this hot pink from the palette, I'm going to start to create the halo. And I'm super out of focus, and I'm putting the hot pink on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just really packing that color in there. And then once I get that kind of set to where I need it to be, or where I want it to be actually, then I'm gonna start blending it across that middle part, as you can see right here. And so you're just gonna keep packing that color on in the corners until you get it as deep as you want to get that poppy effect from your halo, because that's gonna help create the whole halo. And what will my tutorial be without a dance break? Y'all know I like to dance and sing in the breaks. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm sorry I didn't show y'all the color, but I'm using that magenta shade that's right underneath that hot pink shade in the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm just putting that on the inner corners and the outer corners. And again, I'm going to drag it across the top of my eye too. This is just to deepen our halo, just so that it pops a little bit more. I'm just making sure to get rid of any harsh lines and just make sure everything's blended out pretty good. Then I'm going to come in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using this to help with the halo effect. And I got this trick from Ella Ty, where you put the concealer on your eye and then you open your eye so you kind of know where you're cutting your crease at, so to say. And we're not actually doing a cut crease, but we want that same effect for this halo. So yes, love that tip. If y'all haven't seen her Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, y'all should check it out. It is really good and really helpful. So I'm just packing that concealer on, and I'm really blending it out, and just yeah, just trying to get it in the middle of my eyes, and so we can get that halo effect. Then I'm going to set that concealer with that hot pink eyeshadow that I used earlier in the video from the palette, and that's just going to help when we put the glitter on top of it. So it's going to make it look really good, and then we have that pink base underneath, so it's really going to pop. And of course, just more blending, because what would the world be without a good blend? I'm just saying. Then I'm coming in with this bulk glitter in glitter in flirtatious rose. Jesus, I can't even get my words out. And I'm gonna use the NYX glitter glue just to get that ready. And I'm putting the glitter glue on, and I'm gonna let it sit for a second before I go in with the glitter. And I'm gonna try not to close my eyes at all, literally. I also want to add that these glitters are $1, y'all. $1. We can find good glitter for $1. Okay, I'm going to link that in the bio, because these glitters are the bomb.com. I think I got 17 of them. Yeah, probably like 17 of them. I've only used one, and so far so good. these glitters are the bomb.com. I'm going to link them down below. You can get them from bulk glitters if you want to order them in bulk, or if you want to order them individually, you can get them from super glitters. So now here I was just deepening the crease some more with that magenta color, and I'm taking that magenta color on my lash line as well, just to give that same halo effect underneath my eye. And you can see I added a white line at the top. That was just to give it a little extra pop. And now I'm coming in with that Sephora white eyeliner, and I'm just putting that in my waterline so that we can get a little pop there. And I also no, I haven't done it yet actually. I'm about to do it. So I'm gonna put some glitter in the middle of my, as you can see, in the middle of my eye, just so that everything matches up from top to bottom. So I did the same kind of halo effect and the same eye look at the bottom that I did at the top. And here is the finished look, girl. I hope you Starlets enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tag me in all your Valentine's Day looks. Let's stay connected on Instagram at Ashia.Knight, and thank you for watching, Starlets. Mwah.